I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening VN and loading the project you'll add music to. Import the audio now using Plus Media, or pick from VN's built-in tracks so formats match. Once done, place the audio on the timeline beneath your video track and roughly align the start points. This helps you hear timing immediately. Make sure project settings like aspect ratio and frame rate are correct, because mismatches can alter audio sync later. Now focus on shaping the music so it serves the story. Trim and split the audio to fit each scene, and add fades at start and end to avoid pops. This makes transitions feel professional. Once trimmed, nudge clips to sync beats with visual cuts. Zoom the timeline for frame-level precision. If you have dialogue, create volume keyframes or use the ducking tool so music backs off when speech occurs. This preserves clarity without removing energy. Finish by mixing and exporting. Lower background music until it supports, not overwhelms. Aim around -18 to -12 dB for general background. Add EQ or compression sparingly to fit the mix, then export using AAC or WAV depending on quality needs. Make sure to test the final file on headphones and phone speakers. If you see sync drift, recheck project frame rate and sample rate, then re-import the audio or render proxies. This usually fixes timing issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.